Good morning everyone and welcome to the 5th daily challenge on Friday the 27th of March. Now it's a Friday so a wee bit more relaxed today and I'm really going to test myself. I'm going to try and show you how to make pancakes, and I'm also making my first ever multi-segment video to put on YouTube, so please bear with me. I'm doing it on the school computer, I don't have proper editing software, so this could be fun. Now, what I have in front of me here today is 100 grams of sieved plain flour, 2 large eggs, a wee drop of vegetable oil, a pinch of salt and 300 millilitres of milk. Now you can find the recipe for pancakes online, so I'll let you search that out for yourself. So, first thing I need to do is mix all of this together to make a nice pancake mix. And if this sprays all over me, at the very least, you can have a good laugh today. There we go. Getting going. Right, I think that's almost there. I'll see you in the kitchen. Okay folks, welcome to the kitchen. Now, I'm now going to attempt to make these pancakes. I've transferred my mix into a wee bowl and I'm going to pour a small amount for my first one into the centre of the pan. Now, while we're waiting for that to cook, I'll just say a couple of words to you. You'll notice me this morning making lots of mistakes in this video. It's certainly not perfect. I'll be honest, I'm having great fun, but you will see tons of things that I could do better. But to be honest, that's the point. Making beautiful work is not about getting it right first time. It's about having a go, trying to do the best you can, looking at what you've produced, and then taking feedback from whoever you can to make that better. Because the only way to learn, the only way to get from the starting point to where you want to be is to make mistakes. And if you're willing to try, if you're willing to make mistakes, if you're willing to take feedback, act on it and constantly improve your work, then that is how you become an expert in anything you set your mind to. I'm going to pause for a second. Okay folks, the pancake is ready to turn. Will we give it a go? We'll give it a go. Ta-da! I'll be back in a moment when all of the pancakes are suitably done. Right folks, it's really important, ask permission before you use the kitchen, and if you're not usually let loose in the kitchen, make sure you have someone there to support you. The last thing you need to do is sit down with family, enjoy your pancakes. You'll get a blessed rest from the daily videos for 2 days. I'll see you again on Monday. Remember, collate your work. I'd love to see a video of you flipping pancakes when we're all back at school. Enjoy your weekend, folks. You waving to girls and boys? Bye.